Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I would like to talk about the process of setting up and generating beautiful Mochawesome reports for your Cypress tests. So first of all, we need to go to the official documentation of Cypress Mochawesome reporter. We need to install this package in our project. Let's open the terminal, copy this command, enter, and just wait some seconds for installation. Check it in package.json. We can see here Cypress Mochawesome reporter. After, based on official documentation, we need to edit configuration file. So we have a cypress.config.ts. So here we need to add this line, just require our plugin here. After, we need to specify what reporter will be used. We would like to use this reporter, and honestly I can say that it will be work because after based on official documentation, they are describing regarding before run, after run hooks, which I would like to skip. After, they want to add this import based on this path end-to-end.js. It's not necessary to do that because we are using a latest version of Cypress. These steps are obsolete, unfortunately, for older versions of Cypress, so we don't need to do that. Also, for fourth step, we don't need to do that. We don't need to add this import to index.js file. It's not necessary to do that. So after, we can run Cypress, just check it. So just run it. So my test running around half of the minute. Just wait it. Maybe some of them will be failed. For example, login tests, because of website. Sometimes it's working, sometimes not. So after, I would like to go through custom options. So we would like to check it, that is, reports are generated correctly, and just check it. Was automatically generated this reports folder, screenshots folder. We can open it. Just check this JSON file. So we can see that it's generating automatically based on, for example, this one for contact us. Yeah, there was a lot, and after, it's merging into one big report, and after generating HTML file. Just check. So the main goal, just generating beautiful HTML file report. Let's check it. So open. So we can see that it's generated. We can see all our test sets. We can see the error here. We don't see here charts, but it's optional and we can set it. So we can see here some logs that expected this URL include overview/overview, but it doesn't exist. So let's add reporter options. Just copy it. So now we would like to apply charts. We want to have report page title, custom title. It means maybe here or here will be custom title or report page title. Let's write here Cypress report. So embedded screenshots, inline assets. I think that inline assets will be generated here in this folder. I don't know if it's useful for us or not. I don't think so. We can set false, for example. Save all attempts. It's up to you. We can check another options. So we can ignore videos. Just record videos on fail only. So quiet, just silence console messages, sell all attempts, and debug. So I have prepared some reporter options here. Just copy from Notion file, paste it here, save it, and just generate one more time. Run our tests. So charts, report page title, embedded screenshots, inline assets, save all attempts, save JSON false. So I would like to use true because it's generating JSON file with all information about the report, and in the future, for example, we can use this JSON file for some notifications in Teams or in some other messengers, just for reporting automatically, for example. It's a very useful thing. So let's check it. That's some error. The same regarding login. Yes, Cypress wants to see in the URL this /overview text, but it doesn't exist. Okay, we have 12 passing and 1 failing test. Check our reports. So now you can see that all another folders doesn't exist because of these options. So for example, we need only HTML report. We can set these options. So let's open it in the browser. Property view. Open with the Google Chrome. So we can see that Cypress reporter, its reporter page title, which we set. We can see here these charts, which also set, because before we don't have these charts. So just seeing the difference. So that's it. We successfully set up and generated Mochawesome report for our Cypress test for Parabank website. You can try to do that on your own project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe for more Cypress tutorials. See you next time.